In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the no command screen issue on your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. This guide will help you navigate the recovery mode and safely restart your device. First, it's important to understand what the no command screen indicates. It usually means there is a problem with the recovery system. When you encounter this screen, remain calm and avoid pressing random buttons. This display is part of Android's recovery mode, and knowing the correct button combination is crucial for safely proceeding. Familiarizing yourself with recovery mode operations will help you resolve the issue effectively. To access the recovery options, begin by pressing and holding the power button once. While holding it, press the volume up button once and then release both buttons. This specific key combination will allow your device to enter the Android recovery menu from the no command screen. Once you are in this menu, use the volume buttons to navigate through the available options. The power button is used to select any option you highlight. Carefully read the commands presented to you, such as reboot system now, wipe cache, or factory reset. It is essential to select the correct option, as choosing the wrong one may lead to data loss or additional complications. After successfully entering the recovery menu, you will see several options. If you wish to restart your Pixel device normally, select Reboot System Now. If the problem persists after rebooting, you might want to select Wipe Cache Partition to clear temporary files that could be causing the issue. Alternatively, if you are considering a more drastic solution, you can perform a factory reset. Make sure to confirm your choice carefully to prevent any unintended data loss, as a factory reset will erase all data on the device. Once you've made your selection, the device will execute the command. You may see a progress indicator or loading screen as the action completes. After the process finishes, your device will automatically restart. It is essential to verify that your Pixel 4 or 4 XL boots up properly and that the no command screen no longer appears. If everything goes well, your device should function normally again. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.